Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch out stock footage on Jupitrr AI. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that the stock footage that you chose or it chose on Jupitrr AI is something that you don't like. How do you actually go ahead and actually swap that out? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's hop onto one of our projects here. And if we play this clip here, let's say that we don't like that stock footage that was just shown. Now, in order to swap that out, what you're going to do is click on it and then click on search another one. And here you can actually select from a variety of different cities. So if maybe if you don't want a city, maybe you want Los Angeles, for example, you could actually search it up as well. And then you can choose this clip over here, and it's going to apply that stock footage to this highlighted part. So now when I go ahead and play it back, now you'll see that the new stock footage clip has been applied to our timeline. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and swap stock footages on Jupitrr AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.